Hi everybody, I am Mohamed from Smart DigiWeb. I am happy to be with you in this video. Before to start, please subscribe to get any update. The Google Keyword Planner is a free tool. You just need to create an account in ads.google.com using your Gmail account. Then go to Tools here, then expand the Planning menu and click on Keywords Planner. Then select Discover New Keywords. Then enter a keyword related to the topic you want to explore. Select your language and deselect any country to search worldwide. Then click Get Results. This tool will give you a list of keywords related to the one you have entered. And for each of them, you will get the monthly average shares, the competition, and how much advertisers can bid for each. You can also download the results in a CSV format to your computer to use them later. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you soon in another video. Goodbye.